every once in a while you come across a piece of software that no matter what you do, you have to use a floppy disk to install it. No ifs, ands, or buts, no ways around it. For example, I use a piece of automotive software called Mitchell On Demand. And the baseline software to run the program, with their copyright protection and shit, you have to install it via floppy disk. You can't copy the files off the floppy disk and put it on a CD or a thumb drive or anything else. I've tried it. It doesn't work. So today I'm going to show you a program called Virtual Floppy Disk, VFD for short. I'll put a link where to download it on the screen and probably in the show notes if I ever get around to it. But anyway, we're going to go over to the desktop and show you what to, or laptop, and show you what to do. Open VFD up and go to the driver. It'll normally be like on this screen. Click the install tab and then start it. Now go to the drive letter. I'm installing drive number. I go to drive 0. And you need to assign it a drive letter. Drive A or B is normal. Usually you use drive A for a 3.5 or drive B for a 5 1/4 drive. A lot of the times it doesn't matter. But if your program's being an ass and it won't work, just use drive A. That 9 times out of 10 that'll fix your problem. Anyway, after that, click OK. And now click the open button. This is you'll have to browse to your floppy disk image that you downloaded. I downloaded an image of DOS 622, whatever you need. Anyway, select your image and click open. Here you can select the different types of floppy disk, whether it's a 5 1/4, 3.5, or whatever the hell you're using. But anyway, after that, click open. And you can just close this. After you're done, now go over to My Computer, and you have an A drive here, which normally would show you what files you have in it, but somehow I fucked up. So let's try this again. Driver, it's installed. So go to drive 0. Open that image. Open. And done. Let's try that again. And now this time it's working. I don't know why it fucked up before, but shit like that happens. So, as you see, I have the disk open. Now this is great, like I said, for programs that you have to have a floppy drive to install the program. There's a lot of shit out there, mostly older stuff, but still. And no laptop that I know of that's made anymore has a floppy drive in it. The problem is this still, you're kind of fucked if you're planning on doing any BIOS upgrades or anything, because you can't boot off a virtual floppy drive. It just it's how it doesn't work. So you're still going to need to find another way around that. If your computer boots off of USB, I guess you could get one of them USB floppy drives. There's still quite a bit of computers, especially laptops out there, that still, for some reason, I don't know why, they have them so they don't boot off of USB, I guess for security reasons or whatnot. But I hope this helps you out. There should be a link up on the screen if I get around to it, to where to download the program, or check in the show notes. If you have any other questions, you can join us in the chat room. Our IRC server is irc.bsodIRC.org, and the website, if you don't know by now, is bsodtv.org.
How you doing? This is Oakster.